everyone, today we're going to be learning how to use tab and enter to navigate in our Excel spreadsheets. Using the two functions is incredibly important because it dramatically increases your proficiency and your speed when trying to input data or just navigate throughout your spreadsheets. So to start off, I would like everyone to enter 1 in cell A1. Now I want to navigate to cell A2, which is the cell directly below it, but without actually physically clicking on it or using the down arrow. I would like everyone to press enter. You'll notice that when we do, for starters, the data that we had inputted in cell A1 automatically becomes fixed and inputted into the cell, and we automatically drop down to the next cell below. We can also type in 2 in cell A2 and hit enter and drop down to the next cell. So that's perfect. We can navigate down no problem. What about navigating to the right, which is also very helpful, because if you're working on data and you're inputting data in a table, you're typically moving left to right and then downwards. So for example, if we type in shoes at the top and we hit tab, we're going to automatically move over to B. Very helpful, because if we need to do shoes, price, and size, we can just keep hitting tab every time and sliding over as we do that. Now, instead of say we want to enter in a specific brand of shoes, instead of actually having to click into that cell, since we've been clicking tab from A to B to C, Excel has been tracking these motions, and it knows that we click tab 3 times to get to C. So if you want to go to cell A2, all you have to do is press enter, and it's going to bring you right back to where you started. So let's just put in G, price, 230 and size 6. Hit enter, boom, slide right back to the beginning. So all you have to do is tab and enter to navigate throughout your Excel spreadsheets. Thanks everyone.